Hi, my name is Sagar, and in this video, I'll be talking about how to increase the value of your offer or a product that you are giving in the market so that people will take a value based decision, not a price based decision. Otherwise, they will stuck towards bargaining you about the price. Come kar do, let's reduce this price, this is expensive. But what it takes to actually people will not negotiate and talk about the price again. Would you like to know about the secret? The first secret: solve one single burning problem of that particular customer. Whether it's doing one-to-one or one-to-many, you must be knowing that what is the biggest burning problem of your customer. If you can solve that one big problem or one end goal, like for me, people come to me to make money for whatever the product they are selling. So the end goal is to make money. So that's why my niche is also make money online. So whatever product they wanted to sell over online, they come to me to sell more so that they can make money. I will always talking about how much sale they will make, how much money they can make. So the messaging would be around that. So जब भी आप offer बनाते हो, make sure that you should be very much clear about what is the end goal, what is the one big burning problem that you're solving. Second, are you saving a time? It can be through your bonuses or through your offerings. Okay, are you saving the time of your customer to achieve that same goal? Maybe they have talked to a lot of your competitors. Maybe competitors helping them to achieve the specific goal in maybe 6 months. Can you make it? Can you help them to achieve that same goal in 3 months? Like, let's take an example. You are a health coach and they are committing that, okay, 6 months you'll lose this kg, but can you make it 3 months? Can you make it 4 months? So what will happen is saving time is a very, very powerful factor where people ready to pay more. Third, can you reduce their effort? Like some people come to me, Sagar, I don't know how to use this platform. I don't know about designing. I said, wait, I have a template for you. I'll be giving you a template which you don't have to put a lot of effort to designing and stuff. And so I help them to achieve the goal faster without overwhelm. So I give them all the resources they need during their implementation journey. So that's how you can reduce the effort. Can you give a template? Can you give a training to save the lot of effort of achieving that particular goal? Think about it. Brainstorm some ideas. You'll be getting it definitely. So communicate that message that how they can reduce the effort while going through your course or coaching program. Last but not the least, can you make it exclusive? If it is available everywhere or there are a lot of supply, then there will be not demand. Okay, if you really wanted to make it very exclusive, you need to make it limited so that they will feel it has a huge value. Okay, see like how you can do add scarcity or urgency so that you can make it exclusive. These are the 4 areas. If you can work on your offer, nobody is going to stop paying you money, or maybe they will just stop bargaining you specifically about the price, because these 4 will help you to make your offer irresistible, to make your offer like very exclusive. Okay, let me know once you implement, and do subscribe to this channel if you're not, so to get more knowledge about these powerful strategies, something that I teach to only my paid clients, but I'm sharing with you so that you can implement it and make a lot of money.